In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add data labels to a column vertical bar graph in Microsoft Excel. To begin, click once on any of the vertical bars in your chart. This selects the entire data series, which is important because you want Excel to apply the labels to all of the columns, not just one individual bar. After you click, look closely at the chart and confirm that small blue dots appear around the bars. Those selection handles let you know the series is active and ready to be edited. Next, move your attention to the top right corner of the chart. You should see a green plus icon. This is the Chart Elements button, and it gives you quick access to items you can add or adjust in the chart. Click that plus icon to open the list of chart elements. From there, hover your mouse over the Data Labels option. When you do that, you will see a small black arrow appear to the right. Click that arrow to open the label position choices. Now select either inside end or outside end depending on how you want the numbers to appear. Inside end places the values within the tops of the bars, while outside end places them just above the bars. Both options work well, so choose the one that makes your chart easiest to read. Once you make your selection, check the chart and verify that numbers now appear on the bars. These are your data labels, and they help viewers understand the exact values without needing to estimate from the axis. If you want to make those labels stand out more, click one of the new numbers. This selects the full set of labels so you can format them all at once. Then go to the Home tab on the ribbon at the top of Excel. Click the bold button to give the numbers a stronger appearance and improve visibility, especially if the chart will be shared in a presentation or report. You can also click the font color dropdown if you need to change the text color. This is useful if the default color does not contrast well with the chart bars or background. Choose a color that stays clear and easy to read. After that, your column chart will display polished, readable data labels. That covers everything you need to know.